Review Sample Z on YouTube. Welcome back. Let's have a look at this today. We're going to do this in the UI design tool first. Then let's get started. We'll create a new local document. Okay, so we'll select the format iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, so we'll select iPhone 13 Pro. Then what are we going to come and do? Okay, let's do this. So let's get that in there. Let's get some rounded corners. Okay, so there we are. Then these are the color themes we're going to use, these ones. Then in the description section I'll put a link for the starter kit for this file, so it will have these logos here, this screenshot, these font files, theme colors, and this image that's going to be used. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I've made this area here. So what we're going to do is we'll select the artboard there. So in the artboard we're going to come here, so the opacity, bring that to 0. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. And we'll get our image, place our image here. So let's get all that in there. And just do this. Okay, so mask, so that we have those round edges there, so that it looks like those modern design features that other UI design images will have, like like this one is looking here. Then we'll come here again, select this, and we'll come and okay, come and do that there. And let's get those corners. Make it 20. Okay, get them nice and round. So let's see with our image. Okay, that is almost 1:1. So let's come back again. So let's just do this. Okay, all right, that looks good. So the background for this color, okay, I think that is which one? This one. So let's see. So that background color. Okay, so looks more like this. Looks more like this one. Okay, so let's get a first text element in there. Let's just resize that. Okay, so let's just change the font. So get the Nokia pure text. Okay, so there we are. Then let's change the font size. Too small, too big. Okay, that looks just fine there. Then adjust this. Okay, so let's get some boldness in there. Okay, so make that look bold. So let's look at our reference image. Okay, okay, that looks okay. So just position that there. Okay, then let's see what else do we have. Okay, so we've got our logo there. So let's go into the starter kit and get our logo. So I believe that is this one. So back here, and we paste that in there. Okay, so let's make it 1:1. Okay, slightly bigger. Adjust that. Okay, so there we go. Then okay, so just unlock that there, and we can do this. Okay, okay, this one looks a bit more sharper, so let's get a rounded rectangle in there with rounded edges. Okay, so background, let's just change that to ordinary white. Okay, this white here. Okay, so there we are. Let's just adjust that. Okay, let's get that up there. All right, let's see, what's it looking like here? Okay, the corners are a bit more defined, so let's see, 25. Okay, that looks good. Let's give it some borders, so we can come here and press that plus button to add the border. So there's a border there, so we want this color for the border, so that's this color here. So copy that, then we'll paste that in there, then we'll press fuse. Okay, so come here, the border here, then fill that in and press enter. Okay, so there's our border. So what else goes with the border? Okay, some text. Email address. Enter email address. Okay, so there we are. Enter email address, then the color. Okay, here we are. I think that's this one. Okay, press copy, then yeah, this one. Okay, yeah. Let's hold on. Okay, so that's that one there. So let's put that in there. Let's see first. Okay, let's get this darker tone here. So come in there. A bit deeper. Okay. Okay, and just come to the image here. I think there's some extra color options that are missing. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, so let's get this one. Let's try this one. So we'll just minimize the reference image and we'll come back here, and that's this one here. Okay, that looks a bit more defined. Okay, with that one. All right, so let me just save this. Right, okay. And I'll come here. Is it in here? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, theme colors. So cut, copy. So this one go in the starter kit and just paste that there to replace that one. Okay. Then we come back. Okay, so let's see, email address, enter password. Okay, I guess we can just come here. We'll do this. I'll press the shift button and then select that. Then I'll copy everything and I'll come here and I'll paste here. Okay, so let's do with that one. Enter password. Enter password. Okay, then we'll just select all this. I think we can just group it. So I'll come here and then group that selection. Then we'll move and drag it here. Okay. Then we can ungroup that. Okay, and just position this left arrow on the keyboard. Okay, so move that there. So 1, 2. Okay, that looks okay. So I can come back here now. So we've got one more rounded rectangle. We'll make this one. So just do this. Select that one. Then we'll copy and paste here. So this one we're going to get this color which is around the border. Just copy that one. Then we'll fill it here. And we'll fill it here. Then we'll borrow some text from here. We'll copy that. Then we'll paste that here. Okay. Then we'll just change that to this. Okay. And we just change the color of the font to basic. Okay, come and select here and just do a basic black there. Then that should look 1:1. Okay. Then we'll select everything here. Then okay, we'll put that there. Then what's remaining? Okay, just 2 more things. So I'll select one of these and say Control C. And we'll come and paste here. Okay, so what does that text say? Don't have an account. Okay. Okay, don't have an account. Plus a question mark. Okay, so next to the question mark, we'll just get this. Copy, paste that there. Move it a bit this way. Okay. So let's just change the text. Okay, select this one, shift button to select both of them. Okay, then we'll move this into the center here. Then let's see. Okay, that is a 1-to-1 approximation there. And that's the end of this video. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Like, subscribe and share. Then yeah, we'll be back with another video. Peace.